Good evening, teacher. My name is Edgar Quispe. I am 9 year course A. I am going to read story. My name is Thomas. I am a big family. I am the youngest of family. I am 9 years old. My sister Andrea is the oldest. She is 27 years old. My sister Samantha is the smartest girl in her class, and I am the fastest boy in my soccer team. But my brother Peter is the slowest. Sean is the smallest person in our family. He is really short. Really love my great family. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.